Hi friends, it is Teresa here, and today we are doing another folio project. This is not an original thing. I saw this on a channel. I cannot remember where or who. If I figure that out, I'll put it down below. If this happens to be like something that you did, please let me know so I can give you the credit. So let's show you the project. So this is a little folio. It has a pocket in the back. It is made out of one sheet because I want to do it different colors. I have two different ones. My mom likes to, I think it's the one sheet wonder, people say. I don't know. Anyhow, so you flip it open. You have a little pocket right here. We have a little belly band. We have a little tuck spot. Flip it. And writing spot. I didn't want to add too much onto there. We have a little pocket, which has, I need to do something with that. And then this little pocket. And yes, this is the, I'll be decorating that. And this little piece will not be shown. So, here we go. Let's get crafting. Okay, like I said, what you need is one 12 by 12 paper. I did two because I want them different colors, and this is cut at 6.5, right smack in the middle. So you're gonna need a scoreboard or something to that realm, and we are going to score both of these at 4 and 8. And we're going to do the same with this one. Here we go. Other tools you will need: your cutter, glue, whatever you want to decorate with, that kind of stuff. So the next thing, we're just going to fold these straight in, and we both get done the same way and give that a good crease. Now at this point, if you have white on the back, like these are, you can totally stencil it, whatever you want to do. I am at the moment just going to leave them the way it is. So this I will be turning in, but I think I'm going to cut it this time. I turned in the other one, but I think I'm actually going to cut this one. Go. I don't want it completely. There we go. And there is that pocket. What I want is this pink. Found my red. So, just gonna and I think for this part, maybe we will do a tuck up top. Well, up over here, not there. Okay, I'm going to grab a stencil and stencil this. Kind of like that saying, like these look so fun. You can't really go wrong with a Merry Christmas. Here we go. Now I am not doing like a bunch, just littles. There we go. And on here, I think we're just going to lightly go over that and add a couple of Merry Christmas somewhere. There. That works. So now we're going to glue this down, and then I'll show you how this comes into play. There we go. Okay, now with this, what we're going to do is, this is going to be folded like it needs to be, right? And we're going to put this right on here and glue that right down. And what I like to do to add that pocket is I put a thumb thing right here. And then just glue this straight down onto there. And then, of course, only 3 sides. You want to make sure that when you're doing that, you have a little bit of a layover over here, so you can still close that. It's okay that this is going to stick out a little bit, not a big deal. And there you have your back pocket. Wow. There you go. So now we can use the same papers we have and add our belly band and our side pocket if you want to do it that way. I think I really like this little side tuck up top. So I'm going to just kind of round these corners just so they're not so pokey. And then glue this down. And this will give you enough for, like, you have some writing space and you have, like, you can put whatever up there. Okay, now let's play with this part. So I think what I want is we are going to add, we're going to cut this down a little, add a little pocket right there. I didn't do that on the other one, I don't think, but you could decorate this any way you want. It really, like, does not matter. I'm going to go with 1.5. And we are going to just trim a little bit off. Make a little notch because it's just easier that way. Look at that right there. So when I saw this, I can't even remember the type of pockets this person did. But I thought it was a really cute little folio that would work really good in a journal. So, and now for the inside, I know she used like vellum and put it over there so it looked really gorgeous and stuff like that. I am not that type of an individual. Okay, so I think I do want a belly band, but I think I'm going to put the belly band right here. And then I'm going to cut this down. And so let's make our belly band first. I think we're going to do a 2-inch, a little under 2 inches. There we go, that works. Okay, now these are 4 wide, so I'm going to go a little bit under. And that will fit right in there like this. And then what I'm going to do is cut this by 2. So I think the first one is going, how big is this? This is 6. So I'm going to do let's do a 4-inch. Then we have this little bit off. And then we'll do another little pocket right down here. But I'm thinking I want it out of the other paper. That would look really cute. Okay, so we're gonna go and cut this by, that one was about 4. Let's cut this at, say 2.5, see how that looks. Oh yeah, wow. Okay, we need the width, this length. We will use what we have not used. We'll make use of all that. Okay, let's put that down. So we have the same length. Trim. Now I can cut this down to 2 and it will work. Or 2.5. Okay, I think we're done with all of our cutting. So we are going to add this belly band. Does not look even. I know it is, but it doesn't look even to me. We're just gonna trim this just a little bit because I don't like the way that looks. There, that looks a little better. We're gonna trim that and glue. Okay, so I want to add a little bit of decoration onto this. So we're gonna going to put that right in the center. Make sure you don't glue edges of stuff that if it hangs over, because then you're going to glue shut your belly band and that would not be good. There you go. Okay, now we're going to glue this down and then glue the other, and I want little thumbtack thingies. Okay, and where's my little finger thingy? There it is. that'll help define it. Bottom, and here we go. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. I might just leave it there because it's really cute. I like the paper. Maybe I might add a little tuck spot on the side or something. I don't know. But here we go. We have our little folio. It's not decorated, but that's okay. I'm not quite at a decorating stage yet. I'm going to decorate these as I go. So you open it up. We have our pocket right there. We have a belly band. 1, 2, little tuck and a little pocket. And then when we close it up, that is not closed properly. There we go. There we go. And we have a little pocket in the back. Fun, cute, very, you can make some, send it, put it with goodies and do a Happy Mail type thing with them. Very easy that realm. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you guys. And I want you guys to know that you are so important. If you like what you see, please give this a thumbs up and think of subscribing. See you guys next time. Bye.